If you're looking for a phone that offers powerful performance, a smooth screen, and long battery life, the iQOO Neo 10R might be just what you need. Let's dive into why this phone stands out. The iQOO Neo 10R comes with the powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, making it fast and capable of handling everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. If you choose the 256GB version, you'll get even faster storage, UFS 4.1, while the 128GB version still offers great speed with UFS Sandinidian. One of the best things about this phone is its screen. It has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling, watching videos, and playing games feel fluid and clear. The display can get bright, making it easy to use even when you're outside in the sunlight. You won't have to worry about battery life with the iQOO Neo 10R. It comes with a huge 6400 mAh battery, so you can use your phone for hours without needing to charge it. And when you do need a charge, the 80-watt fast charging means you'll be back up and running in just under an hour. The main camera is a 50MP sensor, which captures sharp and detailed photos even when you're on the move. There's also an 8MP ultrawide camera for taking wide-angle shots, and the 32MP selfie camera ensures your pictures look clear and vibrant. When it comes to design, the iQOO Neo 10R comes in two colors: Raging Blue, which has a cool two-tone look, and Moonlight Titanium, which is more understated. Despite its large battery, the phone remains slim and easy to carry, making it comfortable to hold all day long. This phone is also built to last. It has tough shot sensation up glass and an IP65 rating for protection against dust and water. The USB-C port is there for charging, though it's only USB 2.0, meaning it's not as fast as USB 3.0 for data transfer. It also supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4, but there's no NFC for things like contactless payments, which some people might miss. The iQOO Neo 10R can run games like BGMI at 90fps and Call of Duty Mobile at 120fps, which means you can play smoothly without worrying about lag. Plus, the phone has a cooling system to prevent it from getting too hot during intense gaming sessions. The temperature stays pretty normal, around 37 dU4C when running benchmarks and up to 42 dU4C when gaming. You can expect a full day of use from the battery, with about 8 hours of screen time. If you're gaming at 90fps, the phone will last around 6.5 hours before needing a charge. The 80W charger can fully charge the phone in just 54 minutes, which is fast and convenient. Some users have reported minor heating issues, but for regular use, it should be fine. Even with a large battery, it remains slim and easy to carry, offering a great balance of performance, battery life, and camera quality. If you're into gaming, watching videos, or just need a phone that lasts all day, the iQOO Neo 10R is worth considering. What do you think about this phone? Would you go for it? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech. Thanks for watching.